Yo, what is up? This is your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And today, y'all ever run into this problem right here? This problem right here is common. This ain't even what we talking about. If you somewhere where you try to open up a session and they don't have the same plugins you have, you're gonna run into this. We not talking about this. We talking about this problem right here. When you try to open up a session and it says it has missing files, dog. This is how to alleviate that problem right here. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Ring that bell, because this finna be, hey, listen, click them links down in the description too, dog, because I be having it. I ain't telling y'all no more, man. Let's get into the video. So this is pretty much what you do, man. You want to go up to File, and then you want to go to Save, Copy, In. You want to go to File, Save, Copy, In. Now, after you do that, you want to save it to the latest session, unless you're trying to open it for an older version of Pro Tools. You want to save it to the latest version. You feel what I'm saying? And then after you do that, this is very important right here. You can leave all of this stuff the same unless you know you want to change this stuff. However, you need to check audio files. You need to check audio files, man. That is the one you want to check. And if you have like a movie file in there, like say like if you were doing some work for a movie or a little music video or whatever, and you have the video in there for a reference, you want to click that also. This is how everything is going to be there. So once you do that, you hit OK, and it's going to bring you to this screen right here. It's going to say copy of whatever it is. This is Timeless FDM Prano track. This is something I'm working on right now, but it's going to say copy and whatever the name of the session is. So once you do that, pick a place where you want to actually save it at. We're going to pick the desktop, and then you want to go and hit save. Now, you can leave it as is and just hit save, or you can change it to whatever you want to change it to. I'm going to go ahead and change it because I don't like when it says copy like that. So let's put NV for new version and hit save. And then you're going to see it go through its process. And once it's done, you are left with this right here. Let's go to our desktop. Once it's done, you're left with this right here in your 2022 sessions folder. Let's go ahead and double click on it to open it. Let's save what we got right here. Always want to do that. And there you go. It opened right up with all of the audio files there. And I would highly suggest saving it to a hard drive or something like that. This is where all the audio files are. You'll never lose them again. You know what I'm saying? I hope this video helped y'all, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all be cool. Y'all be cool, man. Peace.